Used it much. I've used the camera, but I haven't taken a lot of video with it. There's the pretty girl in purple. She's the darker female. She's a big girl too. Her, the girl in purple.
Oh, the boys want to play. Ow, there's my hair.
Pop, pop, pop.
Big boy in red.
Hey, big guy in red. Well, that's a downside if it doesn't zoom very well because I can't zoom in. Look at Chub. Chub never quits eating. Come here, Chub. Show everybody your big face. What are you doing? Are you a guy?
Chub, you got a porcupine? Does that hurt?
Nope,
It hurts me.
Now it's playtime. Here's the girl in pink.
She likes to jump.
Mom's foot.
Chub, chub, chub. Chub, chub, chub.
And there's the girl in green. She's got a toy. Chase me, chase me. They are so happy. Such outgoing puppies. They're all over you. They just want to play. They feel really good about themselves. Just solid pups. Look at this guy. Here's the boy in red. He's batting at my finger. He's a good boy.
I like to torture them like that. I like to stick my finger
Tease
around
them.
their head.
You like to tease them? They're fun to tease. Good boy. He gives good kisses.
Oh,
Look at the feet on these guys. They're going to be huge. Their sister, she's about 8 months old now. She is huge. She's going on 90 pounds already. Just a big, big girl.
Okay.
There's Chub. Uh-oh. Get her good. Wash her face. Miss Green's a busybody. She's just a busybody. Into everything all the time. She's not quite as big as the other two females. She's just full of herself. What are you doing? Alright, well it's getting up around 4 minutes. I'm not sure how it's going to upload. I don't want to take it so big it won't upload. Yep, that's a girl in pink. And she's got the toy now. They'll just play and play and play, and then they crash. And then it's sleep time. Oh! That's not a fuzzy toy. She doesn't know what to... She likes the fuzzy toy.
I didn't throw the fuzzy toy. I threw one of these.
Yeah, but she wants to play with the fuzzy toy. Alright, we are going to attempt an upload, and hopefully you can all see your puppies and have a very, very Merry Christmas.